Alright, good morning YouTube. First time in a while since I've posted anything since January. It's May now, so this is my project. It's a Amish made glider that goes on your front porch. It's never had any finish put on it, and it was excuse me, the nasty natural gray that it had weathered to, and I had it pressure washed. Now I am having to sand all the fuzzies off of the wood, which I knew it would have to be done because it was so bad that when you hit it with the pressure washer at such a close range, it causes the wood to get the fuzzies. You might be able to see it there, and if you can't, I'm sorry, but I can see it. But I have to sand all of that off of the base and the seat itself in preparation for stain. Yes, the wood is poplar. Poplar is intended to be painted because it has such a wild grain pattern, but the stain that I found actually works out pretty well for it. What I found was this right here, and it looks pretty good. So what I'll do is when I'm doing this, I'll give updates if I remember to. If I don't, I'm sorry, but I'm working a little slow today, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I'm back, and real time it's been probably 30-45 minutes, and it's sanded. It doesn't look all that great, but it's for me, myself. And you know what? I really don't give a rat's ass. So, it's going to look good on my porch, and I really don't care what anybody thinks. But, so, I'm getting ready to put the stain on, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done with that. So, here's the stain. So I'll be back when I'm done. All right, bye. Okay, here's the finished product after staining. Sorry, I put it out in the sun to dry before I got a video of it in the shade, but here is the color. It looks really good, but you get a better picture of it once I get the actual seat sanded and stained. Here is the seat. It's if you're a big ass like me, yeah, it's a two-person glider. If you're a skinny little bitch, it's a three-person glider. But when I had it pressure washed, focus, to get stains out, you had to get really close with the nozzle, and it left the little fuzzies. And that's a no-no when you pressure wash wood. But like I say, to get the stains out that were on it, I had to have that done. So that's a trade-off that I'm willing to deal with. And here is some of the gray that didn't come out real well, and everything. So I'm gonna take the sander to it and work it over. This is the sander that I'm using. It's a rigid R2600. It's discontinued by Home Depot now, or the Rigid Company. They've got better brands out. This is probably, shit, I don't know, probably 8 or 10 years old, and this is the most that I've ever used it. I started yesterday on the chair for it, and the backing pad, the foam, had degraded and started to tear apart, so I had to go to Home Depot and find another backing pad. Luckily, this is a Ryobi backing pad that is made to fit a Rigid and Ryobi and one or two other 5-inch random orbital sanders, so I was lucky on that part. It's got a really nice bag for dust collection. The new ones, I think, just are twist locks, and this one actually screws on and screws off, so I like it. Well, I'm going to get started on this, and I'll show you bits and pieces as I'm working on it. Alright, bye. Okay, this is what it looks like sanded. Believe me, it was a pain in my fucking dick. Looks good. There's still spots in it, but you know what? Like it was with the chair, it's old, and to get it completely clean, I'd have to completely disassemble it, sand it, run it through the planer, and I'm not doing that. So, like I say, it looks good once it's done, so it's mine. I like it. Oh well. I'll show you when it's done. Bye. Alright, here's the finished project. Well, finished product, I should say. It's all stained. It's just drying right now. It's supposed to be 80-some tomorrow, so, which tomorrow is May 3rd, 2015. And, no, May 4th, excuse me. May 4th, 2015 tomorrow. It's supposed to be 80-some degrees. And I'm going to just let it dry out in the sun and for a few hours, be done with it, and then I will mate the seat portion with the stand portion. So it's pretty much done. So there you go, folks. It has been a pain in my ass. Pain in my ribs, actually. For those folks that we joke about with someone in New York about the cracked ribs. Well, I've actually got one, and mine has bent. Mine has been proven by a doctor and multiple position x-ray, and it hurts like a mofo. And the only thing I can do for it is rest and some heat and ice and pain medicine and whatnot, but that's all a pain in the ass too. So the only time I do pain medicine is when I sleep. So hey, I'll get this all put together now. So talk to you later. Bye.